3, Toyota Pro Stock. With a 410 cubic inch under the hood, the vehicle's called Cut and Quick. Make some noise for Curtis Kurchak. You need a wild thing. And here comes the wild thing. And here we go. And he's going to go. Hammer down. Yeah! Right on. Yeah! Got the wild thing. Owned by Paul Schaefer Motorsports. The wild thing. I don't know what that thing is, but I just know it's wild. And Paul's doing another one. Brian Harwood from Texas is driving that wild thing. Right on. And he's going to hit them cars again. I bet it goes straight up in the air. Anybody want to bet? The wild thing. Right on. Brian Harwood out of Texas. We just wanted to do a little something, you know, for you guys to keep up the excitement. You know, we don't want them monster truck drivers sitting out there going to sleep on it, so we had to bring them out. And who's coming next? Is that Boogie Woogie girl coming out? We got wild. Now we got wild hair. Hey, got wild hair now. Jason Whitty out of Washington, Missouri, driving this Chevrolet. He said he rolled it a couple weeks ago, but I can't tell. Anybody out there like the wild hair? All right, I had to do the test on that radio just in case something happens. Paul